Welcome to Regenerate Your Reality Farm. Nestled in the jungle near to Namaste in the Pacific of Costa Rica, previously a cow pasture, converted to a food forest and permaculture example, we planted hundreds of fruit trees and edible perennials and many medicinals that exist closest to our house, all our favorite herbs. Food is our medicine. And planting biodiversity of flowers and corn and herbs within our annual garden, the milpa system. And near our house, under the cover of the roof, we've planted our dry garden, which includes aloe. And other part of our food forest that mimics the forest, using the decomposed forest mycelium, we conserve the forest area and rivers surrounding and plant along the edge of the forest biocorridors that will extend the canopy of the forest. And next door are cows that help provide more nutrients for the soils than are our friends as well. Here, looking at the dragon fruit that's climbing the guava tree, mimicking what's in the forest with all the layers of the canopy. We also compost our precious poop, which goes back to our fruit trees after 2 years. This is our baño seco. It's the best view in the house. These are our beautiful chickens that love to roam and fertilize the farm. They're our friends, and we do consume some eggs. If you come for a farm-to-table lunch, a curry option from the land with yuca and nyampi and over 10 different salad greens and a lang tea where we co-create your reality and your design for your farm based on what you love and how you want to live.